If you're looking to increase your productivity, then you need to check out the following 3 apps. Number 1, PowerToys. It enhances the basic features of Windows by using different modules. It's a completely free app that can be installed from the Microsoft Store. After opening the app, you get this dashboard. On top, you can see which modules are enabled. On the bottom, you can see which modules are disabled. This also shows you the keyboard shortcut you need to press to activate the module itself. Some of the most useful modules it has are Always on Top, which lets you make any window stay on top of anything else on the screen. A color picker, you can get the code of any color on the screen anywhere. An image resizer lets you quickly resize any images. Mouse without borders lets you use one mouse between 2 different computers over the network. Power rename, which can rename a bunch of files any way you want. And my favorite feature, PowerToys Run, which opens by pressing the Alt and space bar, and it allows you to use the run command at the center of your screen to launch apps. You can find folders, files, anything you need. This app is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to level up their Windows experience. Number 2, if you ever used the snipping tool or are still using it, this is where using a tool like Snip Paste can make life much more easier. Simply launch it by assigning any hotkey to take a screenshot, and you'll get this window. You can snap to any area or part of an open program on your screen. The selection tool can show you the color code under your cursor on the screen and copy it to your clipboard. You can manually move the selection tool using the arrows on your keyboard. After you take a screenshot, the pop-up window will allow you to draw a rectangle, a line, or use a pencil or a marker. You can also blur out sections, super helpful. Add text, easily resize the text, or erase anything you just drew. Then you can save it as a file or copy it to your clipboard. You can also pin the screenshot to your screen, keep it open if you wanted to. So with this screenshot tool, it really makes it super easy to take and edit screenshots in seconds. Number 3, the widget launcher. It's an app with a similar concept to the gadgets from the Windows 7 days. It gives you quick access to handy tools from your desktop, such as a calculator, a small calendar for easy planning, a CPU meter that shows you the current CPU and RAM usage, a desktop notes widget so you can take quick notes. You can have the weather widget show you the weather for the next 5 days. You can have the digital large display clock showing you the time on your desktop. This launcher just makes it even easier to access some of the handy tools right from your desktop. Those are the 3 apps that I would recommend to increase your productivity. So if you found the video useful, let me know in the comments and leave a like. And as always, thanks for hanging out. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.